In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix ChatGPT isn't working or loading error. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Your ChatGPT doesn't work for you, then you need to going through the simple step which I showed you. Let's start the first one. At first, you need to clear your browsing tier data. To clear your cache, you need to click on this third icon and tap on settings. Then from the left hand side, you need to tap on privacy and security and then select delete browsing data. Then in the unset mark browsing history, cache, image and files, download history, and check mark on cookies and other site data, and tap on this more drop-down box and choose all time and click on delete data button. Then this is clear all the cache data of this browser. Then open ChatGPT and try it. Let's check it's working or not. If this method doesn't work for you, then again click on this third icon, then tap on extension and then manage extension. A Chrome extension can be reason for the crash of ChatGPT account. If you are facing this issue, then you need to disable your extension one by one and check ChatGPT account again. If this method doesn't work for you, then again open incognito window. Tap on this third icon and click on new incognito window. Now search for ChatGPT and log into your account. If you try all this method that doesn't work for you, then make sure it doesn't use a VPN. If you are using a VPN, then turn it off and try it again. I hope any of this method will work for you. By following this tutorial, you can easily fix ChatGPT isn't working or loading issue.